Hi everyone, Angela here. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our new magnolia tree. I don't know if you can even see it behind me right there. But we just got this fall, for our 5-year anniversary. It is a little gem magnolia, and we decided to get it. We pulled out one of those sweet gum, you know, those gumball trees. We pulled that out of the front yard this year, and we decided that it was finally time to get a tree. And we decided on the magnolia because it can take the full sun of, you know, our hot summers down here in Missouri. So I'll show you a little bit. We did a really great job, I think, at the beginning, making sure that it, you know, transplanted well. We started off with a hole about double the size of the pot. I don't know how big it was, almost a 5-gallon pot, I'm guessing. Yeah, 5 gallons. And then so we dug a hole twice the size of the pot, put it in there, filled it back up. We put some sod on top, a little bit of mulch to make sure that, you know, the base was appropriately, you know, protected. And then it was leaning. The tree itself had had a little bit of a lean. So Dan put in a spike in the and a little rope. He's tightened it up, I think, at least once, maybe twice since then. But you can see it is straight as a nail now. So it's looking fantastic. We did have a little bit of, I think, shock to the tree. I'll show you the leaves here in a second. They have a couple little black spots on some of the leaves. And the gals at the nursery told me that it's totally normal and that it would be just fine next year. So one of the other things that they suggested is that we try a root stimulator, and that was something I'd never done before. This is my first tree, so I know nothing about trees, but I bought this bottle of root stimulator for, I don't know, $8, something like that, super cheap, and I haven't even used like a quarter of it yet at this point. But you literally use 1 capful for a gallon of water, and then for the first, from August to, you know, almost through September, we did it once a week. So a gallon of water with the root stimulator, 1 capful once a week. And now I'm going to do it about once a month through the winter, just to make sure that it's, you know, getting some strong roots. We don't want to fertilize or anything like that in the winter. But we do want to do the root stimulator so that in the spring, when it's time to start growing again, the tree can focus on the beautiful flowers instead of working on, you know, getting a root base. So I'll walk over there. Let's take a little bit of a look. I have some water ready to go. Normally we do long waterings. Like I put a hose out here and I let it kind of drip on it for like 20 minutes sometimes. Anyway, so let's see if we can see these leaves. So here on this back one, the lighting is just perfect. You can see those little black spots. So, I mean, you can't tell from far away, but there we go. It does have a little bit of stress that it's showing on the leaves, but I think it should be okay. We did have plenty of flowers here. You can see this is, I don't even know what they call that, but you know, the big white blooms came out behind it. And it's, I mean, it's a really, I mean, this is where my head comes to here, and there's all that tree. So it's a good sized tree already. We were so lucky we got it for 40% off this fall. And then here's the root stimulator that we got. So, and she's so sweet. She wrote exactly what I needed to do on the back, so you can see that. But yeah, really fantastic. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this little gem. Oh, it's not so cute. That's actually what she is too. So she's looking great. Hopefully next year she ends up being, you know, everything we wanted and more in our tree. It should grow to about, I think they said like 30 feet tall, about 20 wide. So it's gonna be a nice tree. It's over on the north side of our house, so it's not like in front of the house, but we'll be able to see it when we pull up the street. We'll be able to see it standing there. Beautiful. So anyways, thank you all for tuning in. Bye.